Yeah, the blow-in, it was awesome. It was first class in every direction. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the videos. And the 1955 Imperial is pretty damn awesome. That's about all I'm going to say. Makes me want to get a D, even though it'd be totally pointless for me to get a D. Makes me want to get one.
You have to do a ramp.
Ready?
Yep.
That's his three.
No. You want to give the guy another one?
That's not fair.
One more.
You gotta give him one try.
Hang on a minute. Ready? Ready?
I'm ready.
Good. The drill started. Sucker fired right up, huh? Like one
I'm looking for the accuracy, and this thing just fired.
yeah. Oh no!
Killed her.
Is the gas turned on? I think it's the angle of the turn.
Alright. Might need a more throttle.
Oh, I'm going the wrong way.
Right?
Is the gas on?
Just put gas in it. Ready?
That's going to be low idle. Forward's wide open? Okay.
That's wide open.
Eric needs to hold the grill.
Okay.
All right, let's see reverse.
It's not adjusted.
need a sandbox outside that John can drive it through like a sandbox or something. Probably shouldn't wipe it up until it's turned off.
You almost need to like put the paper towels in the front wheel so it unrolls.
There you
as
go.
you
Put a Swiffer on those cultivators there.
Or put a cram of paper towel roll in the screw holder so it wipes as you
Well, the Imperial has .1 Steve hours on it now.
Because we didn't want, obviously, fresh paint to get beat around putting it together. So it's going to come back apart next week, right, John? It'll probably go at John's shed, and it'll sit there for 10 or 15 years, and his wife will do something with it. Anyhow, it's going to go to the paint shop after this in some process, and then get painted, and then appear at future moments. It'll be in the parade of power. So, John, are you ready? Have I set it up? Bob, you want to say a few words? You happy for now?
Hey, okay for now,
Do
but
you want to tell them about the Whitworth too?
Yes, yes, so you go ahead.
So yesterday we were Googling Whitworth because none of us knew what it was.
We actually thought it was made up, by the way.
Yeah, we thought it was an old wives' tale when people didn't know what thread strings were. It's an English thread, yeah. But we took the bolt out. It looks like a regular 3/8 coarse thread bolt. You can hold a 3/8 bolt against it, and you can thread it in about halfway, and it looks like it matches perfect. You go the whole length, and it's off a hair. So we Googled it. The first thing is that Rich got these Whitworth wrenches, and the actual size of the wrench to fit this bolt is a 5/16 wrench. Now it looks like a 9/16, but it's a 5/16. Turns out what they do is that they label the bolts by the width of the thread area, not by the width of the head.
Oh my.
So, yeah, here's that regular 1/2-inch bolt, and you can, you know, a 3/8
3/8.
bolt. And here it fits perfect, but if I go the whole length, it's just off a hair, and what they said is that the actual pitch of the threads, the SAE bolt, I believe, was 55 degrees, and the Whitworth was 60 degrees. So it might have the same thread per inch, but it's just a hair off on
They could throw
The-
extra thread in per inch.
yeah, something like that, but it's just, it's strange, and, you know, but that was not gonna scare us though, huh?
No.
We got the special
Rick's a
spanners.
stickler for original bolts, which is great, you know?
Rich, where'd you ever find the wrenches?
I ordered them from whitworthwrenches.com.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if you look at the wrench, it says 5/16 W. 5/16 W. You see, this is basically, this is a
Hold on, they don't call them wrenches, they're called spanners.
This is a spanner. This happens to be made by the King Dick of England.
Royalty wrench.
Go figure.
Yep. I didn't think of that. That was good. Yeah.
This is 9/16.
Yeah?
9/16.
It looks like a 7/8 or 13/16.
It's like 7
Oh,
inches.
yeah, this really messed with your mind. But it's fun. Everything you thought you did. All right, so
Exactly. All right. I guess we're ready to throw some wrenches or spanners.
Well, just leaving Pennsylvania here, going back to the bridge to New Jersey, and the blow-in, it was awesome, man. It was a blast. We had a lot of fun. Got that 1955 Imperial Model D running. It was really pretty amazing. Saw lots of buddies, traded stories about tractors. It was really fun. Over here at Wawa, getting some gas in New Jersey. It's 35 cents cheaper than Pennsylvania, and man, it's windy. I know it's hard to see, but this dude in front of me has an Alaska license plate. When was the last time you seen an Alaska license plate in New Jersey? That's pretty crazy, huh? Well, it's starting to get dark now. Still cruising the Jersey Turnpike north here towards New York City. It's amazing how fast some people drive on this road. I had a bus pass me had to be 85, like a Baltimore to New York City bus. Like, dude, those guys are hauling. Couldn't believe it. Other people like passing you on the right. All kinds of ridiculousness. Just never fails to amaze me how bad some people drive. Alright, heading to the Garden State Parkway. Awesome. Closer to home. About halfway home now. 2 out of 4 hours, let's say. That's not so bad. Got the old wraparound over here to the toll booth. This toll booth always has a ton of cars at it too. There doesn't seem to be too much traffic right now. It's about 5:45 on a Saturday night, and there's just not traffic like there used to be, so I'm cool with that, that's for sure. Let's see. There we go. That's not so bad, only a couple cars in line. I can handle that. Alright, let's see. Hey.
8:45, 55.
Windy, huh?
That ain't the word.
Thanks a lot.
Good day.
You
Stay
too.
warm.
Okay, let's see. We want the north here. Going north? Yep. Going north. Signs on this road are beat. You can't read anything. They're all covered with air pollution and junk. They're just horrible. But anyways, we should be good. Probably be a lot of traffic on the Garden State, which kind of sucks when there's a lot of traffic. It's pretty grueling to drive on when you got 5 lanes full of traffic. But anyways, we're good. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. You get 5 lanes of cars on both sides. You just got a sea of cars. I like to just stay in the left lane because then you don't got to deal with the bobbers and the weavers. You don't have to deal with all the people trying to get to the right to turn off the exits either, and you can just kind of cruise through. But it's you got to keep a good lookout of all these idiots. It's nuts. Another toll booth. See how this one goes down. Go with 8er or 9er. Here we go. $2.
Thank you.
Thanks. All right, gas it, baby, gas it. Out, they're driving a Beamer. All the cool people drive Beamers. Well, just about to New York. Nope. There it is. New York State Line. Ooh, baby. Getting closer. Getting closer. Very windy out. Super windy. A snow squall came through earlier, and the road up here looks like it was wet and sanded or salted. In New Jersey, there was nothing that looked like that. I saw it on the radar. Down in Pennsylvania, we got a flurry for about 15 minutes, no big deal. And that was the extent of it. Well, we're back to the Tappan Zee Bridge here, crossing the Hudson River. The bridge is pretty cool at night. It's all lit up everywhere, and I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up in the camera, but it does look pretty cool. Also, if you look to the right here, you can see the Manhattan skyline during the day, on a clear day. I don't know that at night I'll be able to see anything, but maybe some lights, that's about it. But it's pretty cool. Highest point of the bridge here. Sawmill Parkway is what I'm getting on here. Score. There's a super sketchy bridge that you gotta go over on this road. It's like sketchy. This is the sketchy bridge over here. Narrow. Dude, I was dead on 35 on the 35. That's sweet. Definitely got some snow on the ground up here. Here we go. There's the sign. Back to Connecticut. Good old Danbury, D. Bizzle.